Start by inserting a rounded rectangle. To achieve a sleek, flat design, go to the Shape Format settings and set the outline to No Outline. Now, apply a fill color that aligns with your project's brand palette. Once your shape is ready, overlay your text. To ensure the content is easily readable against your background color, change the font color to white. Center the text vertically to maintain balance. To provide more context, insert a relevant icon and position it precisely to the right side of your text. Ensure the icon size is proportionate to the font for a polished finish. Consistency is key in design. Repeat this exact process for the 3 remaining shapes, ensuring the spacing and alignment are uniform across all 4 elements. Now, align all the shapes to the center of the slide to maintain a clean and balanced layout. Next, change the fill colors of the shapes according to your design preference. After that, insert icons into the remaining 3 shapes and update the icon color to white for visual consistency. Once done, group all the elements of each shape so they move and animate together smoothly. Now, insert another rounded rectangle with no outline and a white fill color. Apply a left side shadow and place it over the first shape.
Add a number inside this new shape. Duplicate this shape for the other 3 shapes and update the numbers accordingly.
After completing the layout, change the slide background color to a dark shade to enhance contrast. Next, insert the business project text to the right side of each number, then group the new shape, number, and text together. Now, reposition the shapes in preparation for the morph transition. Select all slides, apply the morph transition, and set the duration to 4 seconds. And this is the final look of the presentation.